What's could you please avoid to get was of Jana turned to Ryan Martin? Or pick it another episode. With another episode. Yeah, today this video we are going to doing Q&A, answering all the questions. So yeah, let's get into it. So first question is boy. My question anga wafithu. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm shooting another episode. I'm shooting a video sasa. Because from now I senza propaganda pa video. So yeah, ngenzani kusasa? Okay, another question abafethu ngangibuza ukuthi ngenzani kusasa. Like asinto engayibuza le. Sisiboneni fethu. My BF, my boyfriend. My BF, mina and boyfriend of this
Boyfriend, best friend.
likes you, won't stop talking about you. So that means my best friend. Oh, okay. Into ebaqhubeka akhulume ngami phela. Asifani. Okay, makukhulumani nami. Okay, another question. Iningithi ama-question abantu bangitshela ba. What your girlfriends mean? The dark skin one.
Ooh.
Alah, God. Okay, let's keep this question. Ngibuza uDude lina bafika mara ngibuzayo. Une-girlfriend one mina. Ayikho dark skin clean. I have a crush on you. Okay, ngenzeni? Prince ngenzeni mabathi I have a crush on you.
Lula ntwana ushamhaha boy.
Okay, ngiyadlula bafethu.
Sobuya kubo sobuya.
I have a crush on you. Just imagine. Teng jwalo. Why do you say you like or love someone, then after confessing, you just go that person I broke?
Yeah, pin question.
Why do you say you like or love someone, then after confessing, you just ghost that person? Like, why ngishela omunye umuntu ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyamhanda bese after ngiyamghost. So bani mina khe ngamshela so far this year. Okay.
Mina ngeke ngize ngikhomenta yabo.
Nona kusasa akekho.
Angikhomenti.
Uvayisana nalabantu.
Sure.
Abafethu. I mean akekho umuntu engimghostayo at this point. Maybe ukuthi ngibhizi. I look busy. Like I'm busy. Content, yeah. But namathemati, would you date someone right now? If she is who? Oh, my girlfriend. Now ngamjola because ngiyamthanda. Yena ngiyaza kancane. Yena angithandi.
Name of the girlfriend.
Eh? Ujwayele, man. Ujwayele. Yeah, if mina ngithanda i-girlfriend yami right now, would you date someone right now if yes? Yeah, ngamjola futhi. Singaqalisela phansi ngimjole futhi le ngimthanda kakhulu. But then I don't think uyabona. Girls are trash. Girls are trash, mine not trash. Crush. Ah, crush yami. Hayi baningi. Uzanti baningi. Angina-crush. Angina-crush. Angina-crush bafethu. Okay. Are you dating anyone? Ngifuna uningizwe. Ngiyajola. And ngishanayo. Ngiyamncanya. And then I don't think uyabona ukuthi ngiyamncanya. Unjani? Nasile nina ngiyajola bafethu. Like you yazi. Noma ngiyakuthanda. Thanda mawu. I used to have a biggest crush on you, but I never said anything because I didn't want to ruin the friendship. Oh, yeah, I would say that phela wabuza emotion friendship. And I think ngiyazobani lo. But okay, yadlulela abuza imosha serious. You can't be friends anymore qeda. Sidukudu siyamfuna. But mina first time ungibona ujele nje. Ubona sometimes advice enganikayo yona bafethu ukuthi ujule friend. Ngizomosha bafethu. Yabona mina ngibuya lapho nomunye udela ukuthi ayengikho. Ngithi, do you believe in real love? Yes, I do. Do you believe in real love? Yes, I do. Because of like, I mean real love, like at this moment. We are so attractive. Okay. Together. Simple. You should be my mate. You should be my best. Oh, yeah, maybe. But I'm the best. If I face me, no, if one likes you, I won't. I won't turn the bone. Mm-mm. Well, do you like anyone right now? Yeah, I'm afraid. Oh, looking to date anyone. Eh, baba yonke into la mjolo yabona. Who's your who are your best guy friends? Zonke lezi zami. Dopa, Dan, Prince, Londiwe, Kipi, Boyza, Mantintane, TP Dango. Yeah, nalaba abanye bafethu thina ezinye iskim sami sibhayi. So like angeke ngikhona ukubamenshina bonke yo. Ngingaqeda in 25 minutes lo ngibalile mina ngibalile. But yeah, ngithanda zonke lezi zami abafethu. Who's the last person you like? Okay, mntana bathini?
Baba,
Who's the last person you liked?
liked.
Yeah, like ubani
Like
ophila ukuthi
umthandile.
yeah.
Yo, mina ngikabi ungayiba ngikhuluma.
Sokuthi izinhle nalezi. Would you ever get back to your ex? Nah, I won't. Mm-mm. No, it's us. Bengiqabangile vele nenza leya prank ukuthi ushonile. Ngibhaqizile fast. That was not a prank. Abantu bafethu beku-fake i-death ngami like ngomuntu ofunakalayo na-understand like mina ngiyafuneka. So abantu ba-fake i-death ngami so that they can shuthi khona sengibafakile ulimi ukuthi sebagijimisa amafa nge-speed. Na-understand ukuthi nangi-fake i-death nami ngithe uma ngithola like I was like shocked. Even my family bekumangele ukuthi kwenzakalani nabo bafethu. Bengasidlane yami leya. Bathi mhlathi yakhe. Okay, this one. Why are you no longer doing content on YouTube? Yeah, I'm about to, bafethu. Yeah, siceda amabeef angisayenzi because of like seliqedile ngaleya season ngiyayivala, but ikhona into ezayo. Stay tuned for more bafethu and subscribe to my brother's YouTube YouTube khona i-content azoyishaya. So like I need girls nama-boys abantu abaserious abazofuneka la. So wena uma ufuna DM me ngingasabi. Sambona. Who's your girlfriend?
Ayibamile ngale. Yo.
Oh, abantu bafuna ukwazi. Okay, thingezi so. 1K likes on this video. Okay, thingathi ama 1K likes ngoba like izinto. Eh, 4.2 no.
Mm.
Okay, 4.5 subscribers. Shy vlog na. Ngiyamveza ngingalila. 7K. Okay, 7K subscribers. 7K subscribers ngiyamveza ukuthi ubani. Sure. Okay, this one. Can't stop thinking about you. Uzostopha kanjani mkanje? I've been waiting. Oh, I've been wanting to ask you out. Khona umuntu ofuna ukungikhipha trend, so like sithini forever.
Hayi.
Okay, so boom. So boom. Ngine sengikhipha wena WhatsApp. Your confidence never feels fake. Like it's not the loud kind. It's the I know who I am, even nobody else does.
Paragraph engaka.
Like the confidence yami is calling at me. God. Okay. Confidence never feels fake. Like it's no the loud kind. It's the I know who I am, but like confidence yami is not the angitholi. Ile yokuthi ngiyazazi ukuthi ngubani noma ngabe ubani akazi. But yeah, singasho kanjalo bafika mara mina yazi ngingumuntu osweet. Just that nje nina bo-girls niyadlala ngenhliziyo yami yona bafethu. How many kids do you want to have? Isikolo sonke. Sho mina ngifuna ukuba ne-creche. Isifiso sami ukuthi abantwana bami bafundele ekhaya because of like ngizobe nginabo abathisha abazofundisa abantu bami la ekhaya. So like that means ngizoba nabo 150 kids from different mothers. 3 mothers, 50, 50, 50. You know me too well at this point. I can't even lie to you anymore because you catch it before I finish the sentence. Thinto, you know me too well at this point. I can't even lie to you anymore because you catch it before I finish the sentence. So I have to maningi ngibe so manje ngizophendula part 2. So bafethu yeah, stay tuned for more bafethu and another thing. So very kind. So Prinkalian man. So Nina, stay tuned, but don't forget to follow me on IG and subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to share. If you want to really want to great.